Today we are going to explore the basics of Canva video editing. Click on videos and choose any template you want. We have here different resolutions. Let's use this resolution. Click on uploads, upload file, and choose your clip. After uploading your video, just drag it to the timeline and you can control the preview from here. Resize this clip to fit the page, and you can zoom the timeline as well by clicking in this icon. And if you want to split this clip, just click in the right button in the mouse, split page. Let's split again, and if you want to delete this clip, just delete page. And if you want to crop, just crop as you want. And you can change the background color, or you can put image in the background. And now let's add a text. You can change the font and change the color as well. You can make a shadow for the font. And if you want the text to appear just in a specific part in the clip, just click in the text, click show timing, and make the text when you want. And if you want to make an animation for the text, just click on the text, animate, and choose any animation. It's the same for the elements. You can add any element you want. And you can resize it and place it where you want. And you can control the timing and the animation as well. And to add transition between two clips, just click add transition and choose what you want. And you can use another video as overlay. Type anything you want, or let's type overlay. Let's use this one. Resize it. Go to transparency and lower the transparency as you want. And to add an audio for the video, just upload your audio from here and drag it to the timeline. And you can control the volume of the music and you can make fade in and fade out. And if you have a video with any music or voice and you want to extract it, just click on it and click on extract audio, and you can see here we separate the video from the audio. And if you want just to mute the audio, just click in the video, click in this icon and lower the volume to 0. And if you want to split page to use two videos, just crop the video and drag the another video and crop it, and both of them they will play in the same time. And you can as well use the shapes to place your video in a circle or any shape. Click on uploads and drag your video, place it inside this circle. And to download, just click on share, download, and click download. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.